Hi everyone, I'm Dan Lachance, and welcome to my course, Leveraging Existing Security Device Alerts. Identifying suspicious activity on your network can be achieved by analyzing security device logs. In this course, you will learn how to analyze security device logs looking for security problems. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding the role of various network security devices, identifying potential security threats using firewall logs, identifying potential security threats using network access control logs, and using cloud solutions to pinpoint cloud security problems. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to leverage centralized logging solutions to determine whether or not suspicious host or network activity exists on a network. I hope you'll join me to learn about leveraging existing security device alerts here at Pluralsight.